In this video, I will show you how to embed video into Framer using VideoCipher. To do that, we have to follow two steps. First, you will have to copy the embed code from VideoCipher, and second, you'll have to go to Framer and paste that code. So let's get started. First, you'll have to visit videocipher.com and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can register for a free trial, 30-day trial. No credit card is required. I already have my account, so I will just log in. Once logged in, you can upload the video that you want to embed, or you can import it from all these available options. Once uploaded, you can click on the Embed button and go to Quick Embed section and make the necessary changes, like you can set the video expiry date, you can add domain restriction, geo restriction, and also add dynamic watermarking and customize the dynamic watermarking like text size, text opacity, etc. Once you're satisfied, click on Generate Embed Code button and copy this code. And now we'll have to go to Framer Dashboard, click on the plus icon, go to Utility section and click on this embed. Now we'll have to adjust the design a bit and get it to the desired location. And in the embed type, select HTML and paste the code. Once pasted, it will load. As you can see, the video is loaded here. And if you preview it, you can see it here. And you can see the videos here. If you play the video, it will start playing. Now this video is DRM protected and has all the VideoCipher security features. Thank you.